Hello everyone. So today we will understand what is the use of if-else formula in Excel. So to understand this properly, we will understand the meaning of if-else formula. So whenever there are more than one condition to check, that time we will use if-else formula, and whenever there is only one condition to check, that time we will use if formula in Excel. But to clearly understand this formula, we will solve one question. So in this question, we have given with some bowler name and their speed. Now we need to find the type of speed, and the condition are whenever the speed is more than 150, it should show very fast. Whenever the speed is more than 140, it should show fast, and like that. Now we will solve this question by if s. So equal to if s tab. Now we need to give logical test. So I need to give condition that if C4 greater than 150. So if this value is true, so it should show very fast. So I will write in double exclamatory mark very fast, comma. Now again another logical test, that is if this is greater than 140, comma, it should show fast, comma. Now another condition, if this is greater than 135, it should show medium fast, comma. Now another logical test, if this is greater than 125, comma, it should show slow. Now press enter, you will get answer that this bowler Mayank Yadav has speed 155, so it is greater than 150, so he has bowled very fast ball. Now I will drag this same formula to another columns. So this is how we can use if-else formula in Excel to solve a more than one condition. But if we want to solve this formula by not using if-else formula, we can solve also this question by combination of if and formula, but it makes sometimes complicated. So to not go with complicated thing, I will suggest that everyone should use if-else formula to make this type of question very easy. Thank you so much for watching my videos.